This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
A recent report filed by the CDC shows that hot tubs on 2 cruise ships have caused outbreaks of Legionnaires disease, a severe form of pneumonia. Now, from November of 22 to April of this year, 8 cases were reported on cruise ship A, marking the largest outbreak since 2008. Another 4 cases were identified on cruise ship B. Now, for reference, the CDC redacted these cruise ship names in the report. The CDC investigations found private balcony hot tubs likely to be the source. Unlike public hot tubs, private ones are subject to less stringent maintenance, increasing the risks of Legionella bacteria growth. Princess Cruises was forced to cancel its voyage of Regal Princess from Galveston, Texas, citing unforeseen technical repairs on Sunday. This impacted over 3,500 passengers set to embark, including the 100 back-to-back guests on board. A letter went out to guests on Friday evening saying, quote, "We deeply regret to inform you that due to unforeseen technical work needed for Regal Princess, we must cancel your upcoming voyage." The impacted guests will receive a full refund and a 25% future cruise credit. This cancellation pushes Regal's first cruise of the season from Texas to next weekend, November 3rd. The ship just returned Sunday from a 33-night transatlantic cruise from Southampton over in the UK. And Royal Caribbean will debut Back to the Future, the musical, aboard its newest ship, Star of the Seas. Now, based on the 1985 classic film, the show follows a teenager's accidental journey back to 1955 in a time-traveling DeLorean created by his eccentric scientist friend. The show is set to wrap on London's West End in the coming months, and Royal Caribbean promises a unique twist to the production for Star of the Seas, working with the original creative team under the company's VP of Entertainment. And cruise stocks were mixed on Friday. Carnival Corporation flat 20.91, Royal Caribbean down 1%, 200.91. Norwegian down slightly, 23.16, and Viking flat, 38.75. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net, and thank you for all the tips over the weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Monday.